Hey, Namaskar children. This is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. We are almost at the end of our PA2 syllabus. मैं आपको वापस याद करवा दूँ. PA2 syllabus consists of 4 chapters of grammar, 2 chapters of literature that we have already done. उसके साथ साथ ही writing में last time we practiced about diary entry. Today in writing I'll be introducing or I'll be rather be practicing one of the writings which we have already done. हमने एक सेकेंड चैप्टर अगर बीज हनी मेकिंग वाला चैप्टर अगर आपको याद हो तो इन दैट वी हैड सॉर्ट ऑफ कंप्लीटेड अ डायलॉग डायलॉग और कन्वर्जेशन. So today's my topic is about dialogue writing or you can say conversation. We had already practiced it once when we were in 3rd standard. This would be more of a bit lengthier version of what we did in last year. So what is dialogue or what is conversation? Dialogue or conversation is when two people are speaking with each other. We generally we know that, right? जब हम एक दूसरे से बातें करते हैं, that particular format is known as conversation or dialogues. हमने इस बार इंग्लिश में बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स में we have seen the dialogues amongst two people. विट एंड विजडम वाला जो चैप्टर था ये मनगम्मा वाला एंड तेनाली रामन. सो इन दैट इफ़ यू रिमेंबर तो उसमें क्या था कि देयर वर डबल डॉट्स. दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन वाज स्पीकिंग टू सम अनदर पर्सन, राइट? सो दैट व्हेन यू स्पीक द डबल डॉट की साइन आती है, दैट इज़ द डायलॉग और दैट इज़ द कन्वर्जेशन दैट वी डू विद ईच अदर, राइट? So in today's class we will be I'll be introducing you to one of that conversation. So let us move towards first the practice of dialogue writing and then in a notebook I'll be doing one dialogue delivery or conversation. Right, chaliye. So are you guys ready for today's session? Okay, then let us move for it. Now open the book and page number 31. This is the dialogue which I was talking about. ये chapter है family. It had, if you remember, there was a boy named Sid and honeybee वाला जो chapter था. This is that chapter, right? Page number 31. Sid's grandma is asking him about his test. Use different kinds of sentences as mentioned in the brackets to complete their conversation. So basically जब दो लोग एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, that is known as conversation, right? Now there is no limitations in that conversation. आपको अगर कोई conversation बोला गया है तो ये completely. So what my point is, आप कितना sentences लिखेंगे, that depends upon the amount of mark which it is carrying. Suppose there is 4 marks. Suppose this question, अगर मैं ऐसा question देती हूँ एग्जाम में and it contains 4 marks, then at least write 8 to 9 sentences. Why 8 to 9 sentences? Because अगर हमारे grammatical errors हो रही है, अगर हमारे punctuations error हो रहे हैं, spelling mistakes हो रहे हैं, so that in case your minimum marks are being cut off, right? So whenever you are writing a dialogue, either if you are not going through for this marks, then second option is complete the whole conversation. Think कि हम क्या बोलते अगर हम उस जगह पे होते तो, right? And then you can plan out your conversation. Before writing a conversation, again there is one thing that you should keep in your mind, that you should read the question first. यहाँ पे तो see this दिया हुआ है, Sid's grandma is asking him about his test, right? So basically the conversation is running around the test which Sid has given. Clear? So you have to, before writing a conversation, before jotting down any sort of dialogues, पहले आपके दिमाग में frame कर लो कि what you need to speak. You imagine that particular condition, Imagine karo that you are in the same condition and then you plan out your conversation. Right? चलिए, so let us see इसमें क्या किया हुआ है. As I told you, he is talking about his test, right? And we are using different kind of sentences. Grandma says, how was your class test? Sid says, the test went really well. I'm glad Adi helped me revise the topic. Grandma says, that's great. Tomorrow, thank Adi for his help. Sid, all right, Grandma. I will not forget to thank Adi tomorrow. Grandma, look at the time. You are getting late. Sid says, you are right. I should better get ready for football practice. Now, can you see this thing? Different use of different sentences are being used. This we have already learned. Interrogative क्या है, exclamatory क्या है. हम जो अभी sentences या हम जो अभी dialogue लिख रहे हैं उसमें you don't need to mention the type of sentences, right? But you should plan it out in such a way that you are using a question statement, you are using an imperative statement, you are using an exclamatory sentence, right? अगर exclamatory नहीं use हो रहा है या question नहीं use हो रहा है तो make sure that you are at least using imperative and declarative sentences, right? So here different kind of sentences are being used and this is probably जैसे हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं ऐसा ही है. It is not having any much more explanation or more than required amount of things कि सब कुछ messed up हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. It is far a question, then उसका answer, then again a statement, and then an imperative statement. So it goes like this and the conversation gets over. Now I will be giving a classwork. This we all know, it is on page 31, right? So I'll be giving a classwork where we will be writing a dialogue or a conversation, right? And let us see कि उसमें what sort of things can be done. Ready? So understood this conversation or dialogue writing? Okay. So let us now move towards the writing of the dialogue. So I have written it in a book. So possibly अगर आपसे possible है I'll be sending a image with this. Write it in your notebook. Clear? Don't write it somewhere CWHW में कहीं नहीं लिखिए, अपनी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में ही लिखिए, so that once जब आप पढ़ने बैठे you go through all these things, right? चलिए, so without wasting time, let us move for today's CW, that is dialogue writing. Now, see, read the question. Write a dialogue or conversation between you and your friend discussing about yesterday's match. Right? IPL का season चल रहा है. So we can discuss about yesterday's match. Now here in this what we will write is me double dot my friend. My friend की जगह पे you can write any name of your friend also. Double dot इसलिए because it says speaks, right? Me speaks or me says. Clear? So this is the only format that we need to understand कि margin के इस तरफ. Make sure my dear children, margin के इस तरफ you are writing the conversation between, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ between you and your friend. So it should be you and your friend, right? तो आपके friend का नाम भी आप लिख सकते हैं, इधर आपका नाम लिख सकते हो. Otherwise, me and my friend, this also would be okay. चलिए. So we are going to discuss about yesterday's match. So first of all, before starting anything, what is the conversation? It starts with, hey Meera, how are you? Right? I generally start the conversation with this, hey Meera, how are you? Meera is of course my friend's name, right? So what would be the reply? ये हो गया आपका question mark. Clear? So the first sentence would be an interrogative statement. उसके नीचे you have to write the answer. So it should be declarative or imperative, right? Hi Priya. I am all well. Full stop. Right? So, hey Meera, how are you? Hi Priya, I am all well. This is the interrogative and this is the statement which we have. Now, instead of Meera and Priya, you can use your name and your friend's name. That is fine. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Did you see yesterday's match? Question mark. Right, now I'm asking to my friend that have you seen yesterday's match? Did you see yesterday's match? So the reply would be yes, I did. You can add it was. Yes, I did. It was indeed a good one. Or you can write it was indeed a good game. Alright? So that would be her views. Now, we are discussing about yesterday's match. तो उसमें what sort of thing? Now I have to imagine कि मैं क्या पूछूंगी. Yes. What a play. Sorry, there should not be a question mark, that would be exclamatory sign. Right? What a game. What a game. Yes, what a game Dhoni played. Right? Dhoni played very well. Right? So this is about मैं इसी इसके अलावा अगर आप कुछ और लिख सकते हो तो दैट इज परफेक्टली फाइन. इट्स नॉट एन इश्यू दैट यू नीड टू राइट द सेम थिंग. इट्स फाइन इफ यू आर राइटिंग योर ओन इमेजिनेशन. राइट? चलो. सो यस, व्हाट अ गेम धोनी प्लेड. I do appreciate his skills. Right? I appreciate his skills or I do appreciate his skills means मुझे उसकी गेम अच्छी लगती. Same thing but in a different way it is written. Clear? Now what? Which player do you like the most? Or you can write who is your favorite player. Which player do you like the most? Or which player is your favorite player? You can ask. Now the answer is I am fan of Dhoni, Kohli and Sharma. Right? I am fan of Dhoni, Kohli and Sharma. Now who is Dhoni? MS Dhoni, of course. Kohli, Virat Kohli and Sharma is Rohit Sharma. Clear? So which players do you like the most? So I like this all three players. Oh, you are a big fan of cricket. Right? Because when you are telling that Dhoni भी अच्छा लगता है, कोहली भी अच्छा लगता है, कुमार भी अच्छा लगता है, then शर्मा भी अच्छा लगता है, then सामने वाले को assume हो जाता है that you are a big fan of. Right? So she says or he says, your friend says, yes, you are a big fan of cricket. तो उसका reply आप क्या करेंगे? Yes, I am. I just love the game. Right? Yes, I am. I just love the game. Or you can write I just love cricket. Do you like studies even? राइट. फ्रेंड्स बोलते हो ना कि जितना मैच देख रहा है उतना पढ़ लिया कर तो फर्स्ट रैंक आ जाएगा. सो यू कैन ऐड दिस थिंग. डू यू लाइक स्टडीज इवन? Yes, but not more than game. Right? Obviously an honest answer that I like studies but not more than game. You better start studying. End. Right? Better start studying. Now this conversation आप चाहो उतना इमेजिन कर सकते हो, या आप चाहो उतना लिख सकते हो. Let us read it again so that once it comes to your mind. Again I am repeating, children. The question would remain the same. Write a dialogue or conversation between you and your friend discussing about yesterday's match. उसके अलावा whatever sentences or whatever dialogues you want to write, the choice is totally yours. आप कुछ भी लिखे, that is fine. Make sure कि minimum grammatical errors हो and you are putting the proper punctuations. Clear? चलिए, so let us read once. Me says, hey Meera, how are you? My friend says, hi Priya, I'm all well. Me says, did you see yesterday's match? Friend says, yes, I did. It was indeed a good one. Me, yes, what a game Dhoni played. My friend says, I do appreciate his skills. Me asks, which player do you like the most? My friend says, I am fan of Dhoni, Kohli and Sharma. Right? I am a big fan of Dhoni, Kohli and Sharma. Me. You are a big fan of cricket. Right? किसी को भी पता चल जाएगा कि that you are a big fan of cricket. Yes, I just love the game. Do you like studies even? Yes, but not more than the game. Generally a general answer of everyone, right? खेलने के टाइम पे पढ़ाई नहीं सूझती है, पढ़ाई के टाइम पे खेलना सूझता है. This is a problem that is universal. Everybody feels the same. Even जब मैं छोटी थी, when I wanted to study or I wanted to, there was a choice between study and play, I would always choose play. हमारे टाइम पे तो इतना लिखना भी नहीं आता था जितना आप लोग लिख रहे हो, but then too also. Right? So, oh yes, but not more than game. You better start studying. Right? सामने वाला बोल रहा है, you better start studying. पढ़ाई कर लो, तो that would be good for you also and your parents too. Clear? चलिए, so this was dialogue writing or conversation. This is your CW. Write a dialogue or conversation between you and your friend about discussing about yesterday's match. Clear? Now write today's homework. चलिए, so this is your homework. Write a dialogue or conversation between you and your mother about your online studies. Online studies जो हम रेगुलरली कर रहे थे या कर रहे हैं, right? उसके बारे में you are discussing something with your mother. Isn't it very creative? You can write so many things. सबका conversation would be there in your book. So you can imagine things and you can write. It is not at all compulsory कि जो आपका conversation हुआ है वही वाला आप बिठा के रखिए. No. Whatever comes to your mind, frame it in a sentence, jot it down and then write the final copy. Clear? So this has to be written in your notebook, English notebook में इसको लिखेंगे. उसके अलावा if you want to have any sort of guidance, it is dialogue conversation or dialogue writing is already there in page number 31, right? So better you read it once, you read this CW once, and then go for the HW. Clear? Chalo. Before, till we meet next week, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.